Every Eid, my grandma makes the most delicious biryani, and Eid would not be Eid without it. She's such an amazing cook, and she has so much knowledge to share when it comes to cooking. I watched her as she made her biryani, and I love listening to her tips and tricks.
You have to check it, that it makes about 3 or 4 pieces like that, you see? For biryani, but not for the normal rice.
Why do you like Tilda?
I just love it. I love it. Because it's so nice and long, and it cooks very well. It doesn't stick, and it's very nice and loose. That's what I like it. Wonderful, it's really. Every rice grain has got a meaning and barakat. This goes in the oven now.
Okay. I think rice is such a staple in our culture. Whether it's part of a main dish like this or as part of a side, it's always on our tables. I had an amazing Eid feasting with my family, and after a month of fasting, I was definitely grateful for all the food on our table. I hope you all enjoyed your Eid, and I wish you all an Eid Mubarak.